To understand the possibility of immortality, we must first examine the science of aging and why our bodies break down over time. Aging, in its simplest form, is the passage of time marked by the gradual and progressive decline of bodily functions. It's a complex process influenced by a myriad of factors, from genetics to lifestyle and everything in between. But what exactly happens as we age? Picture your body as a well-oiled machine. Over time, the parts of this machine begin to wear out due to continuous use and exposure to environmental stresses. Similarly, our bodies too experience wear and tear. Cells, the fundamental units of life, gradually lose their ability to function optimally. This cellular aging is the root cause of the physical signs we associate with growing old. Dr. Emma Anderson, a leading gerontologist, offers her insights. It's all about the deterioration of our cells and the accumulated damage over the years, she explains. As we age, our cells' ability to repair themselves diminishes, leading to a buildup of damage. This damage can manifest in various ways, such as wrinkles, grey hair, and more serious age-related diseases. But here's the exciting part. Scientists across the globe are tirelessly working to unravel these intricate processes. They're studying everything from the humble fruit fly to the majestic bowhead whale, some of nature's longest-living creatures, to uncover the secrets of their longevity. The aim? To understand how we can apply these lessons to human aging. While the dream of immortality may still be a distant star, the more immediate and attainable goal is to extend our healthy lifespan. We've made remarkable progress, shares Dr. Anderson. We're beginning to grasp the complex mechanisms of aging, and this knowledge could pave the way for interventions that slow down the aging process. Scientists are uncovering the secrets of the aging process, and while immortality is a stretch, extending life is very much within reach. The quest for longer, healthier lives is a journey that we're all part of, whether we realize it or not. So buckle up, it's going to be an exciting ride. Genetics plays a pivotal role in our quest for longer life. Could our DNA hold the key to immortality? The blueprint of life, our DNA, is a complex and intricate structure, containing all the genetic instructions used in the development and functioning of all living organisms. Each strand is a labyrinth of genetic codes that not only determine our physical traits, but also significantly influence our health and longevity. Our genes are like a symphony, each playing its part in the grand orchestra of life. Some genes protect us, some make us vulnerable, and yet others remain mysteries waiting to be solved. The role of genetics in aging is a fascinating field being fervently explored by scientists worldwide. Enter Dr. Alex Chen, a leading geneticist, who believes that our genes may very well hold the keys to unlocking extended life. Dr. Chen's enthusiasm is infectious as he explains, "We're currently exploring the potential of genetic engineering, the ability to repair and even modify genes. It's like having a spell check for our DNA. Misspelled genes can lead to diseases and aging. By correcting these, we could potentially pave the way for a longer, healthier life." Imagine the possibilities if we could manipulate our genetic code, repair the genes that cause aging and diseases, and enhance the ones that promote longevity. We could potentially rewrite the rules of life itself. However, the road to immortality is not as straightforward as it seems. While we can potentially slow down or even reverse some aspects of aging, completely stopping the aging process is a different ballgame altogether. "We're making great strides in genetic science," says Dr. Chen, "but the journey to immortality, if possible, is a marathon, not a sprint. It's an intricate puzzle that we're just beginning to piece together. Genetic science could pave the way for increased lifespans, but can it really help us achieve immortality?" As we move forward in our understanding of genetics and its role in aging, we must remember that science is a tool for exploration and discovery, not a magic wand. It is the key that could unlock many doors, but whether immortality is one of those doors remains to be seen. As we chase the dream of immortality, there's one aspect we've not yet considered. With all the scientific advancements and the tantalizing possibility of living forever, we must pause and delve into the ethical and societal implications of immortality. It's an aspect that often gets overlooked in the excitement of breakthroughs and discoveries, but let's take a moment to explore these less treaded paths. We have with us Dr. Sofia Reyes, a renowned bioethicist, to shed light on this intriguing conundrum. Dr. Reyes, what do you think could be the potential problems or challenges that might arise from eternal life? Dr. Reyes responds, her voice a somber contrast to the previous enthusiasm. Imagine if we could live forever. It's a fascinating concept indeed. However, it may not be as idyllic as it seems. What if eternal life comes at a staggering cost? She continues, overpopulation, resource depletion, and a potential loss of purpose in life are just a few of the countless dilemmas we could face. If everyone lives forever, how do we manage the finite resources of our planet? And what about the human spirit that thrives on the finite nature of life, the urgency to make each moment count? Could immortality rob us of that vital spark? As these words echo, it's clear that the quest for immortality isn't simply a scientific endeavor. It's a profound philosophical and ethical journey that forces us to question our deepest desires and aspirations. So, as we stand on the brink of potentially life-altering scientific breakthroughs, we must remember to consider these ethical and societal implications. We need to ensure that our pursuit of immortality doesn't inadvertently lead us down a path of unforeseen consequences. The quest for immortality poses ethical and societal dilemmas we must address. Perhaps the pursuit of a meaningful, finite life is the true key to happiness. After all, isn't the beauty of life wrapped up in its fleeting nature, in the urgency to live fully and love deeply, knowing that our time here is limited? The dream of living forever is a tantalizing quest. As science pushes the boundaries of human longevity, we must consider the profound implications of immortality on our society and the world. We've delved into the science of aging, explored the role of genetics, and considered the unexpected twists that eternal life might entail. It's clear that while we've made strides in understanding longevity and enhancing life, immortality remains a complex concept that goes beyond mere biological existence. It raises profound ethical, societal, and philosophical questions that we must grapple with as we continue our pursuit. So while we dream of endless days and boundless years, let's also remember the beauty of a finite life filled with purpose and meaning. Thank you for joining us on this thought-provoking journey. If this video piqued your curiosity, remember to subscribe and hit that like button. Keep seeking, keep questioning, and keep your eyes open to the wonders of existence.